result of me managing those indicators should reduce the cancer, but also increase my quality of life. Welcome you to Moody's Mixers, one with prostate cancer. Hope you enjoy this episode. So as long as I increase my quality of life, I'm feeling much better about what I'm doing. And it's not just what I call the obvious things. Don't eat this, eat that. But understanding why you eat this, why you don't eat that, and now how you prepare this, and this is why you prepare it this way. So that's very important, and I've just seen that in my life. So see, one of the things I've always laughed at is when people tried to tell me whether I was successful or not, is what they use to determine that. And so one of the things that you always hear me talk about are indicators. But what I want to try to do in this podcast here is for all of us to understand what are the indicators we need to look at individually. My indicators of success are different than your indicators of success. So for me to judge you because you didn't do some of the things I did, doesn't mean you have not been successful. My bank account does not dictate how successful I've been. Let me tell you why that's important to understand. If you have people that started over here, I may have had someone born in 1961 just like me. They come from a household that their family was already millionaires. I started down here. To measure that they're worth 100 million, I'm only worth 1 million, they're more successful than me. Well, let's look at it this way. What if they started 150 million and they got it down to 100 million? They really reduced it. I may have started at 10,000. I've gone up to 1 million. I have improved that. I've made a change in that indicator. Percentage went up, their percentage went down. But if you look at the total, if you just took, well, they worth 100 million, you only worth 1 million, they're most successful. No, the change, I'm saying that because people would judge you. People would judge us on things that really have no factor on whether or not we've done well in our life. And I'm saying that because I've been talking to so many people kind of not feeling good about their life because of their past, their history. There are things that are true about us that are not necessarily real indicators, and that's been the one thing that's been so liberating to me, that yes, that is true, but the narrative that you putting us in is not correct. But if you only want to stand on what you see, I can't change that. But I know that my God has me to do it differently. This journey now is just life. So I want to thank you for tuning in to Moody's Mixer, one with prostate cancer, no fear necessary. I hope you continue to follow me on this journey. And if you get a chance, please hit the subscribe button, hit the follow button, hit the like button, hit the notification button. I need you to do something to let me know that you're watching. If you want to write something bad, let me know. So thank you for tuning in to Moody's Mixer. God bless.